Good morning students, welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start chapter number 4 HTMLs. In the previous lecture we have seen the HTML text. Some text which we have seen are small text, big text, bold and B text we will see for bold for making the line bold. HR is for used to horizontal line. HR is used. We have used small and big taglines. Now we are going to see some more taglines. Okay, you can practice this on the computer at your home. Okay, so here you can see next one is center tag. A center tag is used to display text in the center of the browser window. This is a pair tag example. The following code will display Mahatma Gandhi in the center of the browser window. Center Mahatma Gandhi / center. Now here you can see this will this will display in the center. Okay, likewise big small you will see this it will be displayed in the center here. Okay, now HR tag. HR means horizontal ruler. Okay, HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line on the browser screen. Okay, this we have seen in the previous page. Okay, HR is an unpaired tag. We can use different attributes like color, size, align, etc. with HR tags. Study the following example of HR tag and practice it. Observe that each attribute of HR tag are separated by a square, blank square. Example, the following code will draw a horizontal line with red color. Thickness 7 pixel, width half of the browser screen and center align. So here you can see HR color is equal to red, size is equal to 7, width is equal to 50% and align is equal to center. Now here 4 commands are there. The line will be of red color, size will be of 7, width will be of 50% and it will be a width means how much wide will be the line and align will be center, so it will be in the center here. Okay, so now some more text we will see. Okay students, now see here in the previous example we have is 4 attribute are used with HR tags. Color, this attribute is used to specify the color of the horizontal line. Size, this attribute is used to specify the thickness of the horizontal line. Okay, thickness is done with the size here. Width, this attribute is used to specify the width of the horizontal line. The value 50% means that the line will be 50% of the browser window. Okay, so it will acquire 50% of the browser window. If you resize your browser window, then the line size will also change. Align, this attribute is to specify the alignment on the line. The possible values can be left, center or right. So for alignment it will be left, center, right. Width you want as per the browser 50%, 20%, anything you can put. Size is used to put the size, thickness of the horizontal line. Okay, and color is used to put the color, which color of the line will be. Okay, H1 to H6 text. Now here you can see here H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 tags are used to define HTML headings. Okay, these are used to define HTML headings. All these tags are paired tags. H1 defines the most important heading and displayed with the biggest font size, and H6 defines the least important heading and it displays with the smallest font size. Okay, so H1 is the most important and H6 is the least important. Type the HTML code in Notepad and observe the output. Now here you can see here 4 things are given here. You can see here in this you can see here in this diagram you can see the diagram here. H1, H2 here president in the first you can see president, vice presidents, all the things are mentioned here. Okay, so output you can see here H1, H2, H3 likewise it is given here. So here like this diagram will appear. Okay, here also type document Notepad and observe the output. You have to type the this software, this HTML code, and the output will be as it is. Okay, so these are the HTML code in Notepad. Okay, now let us see some more details about Notepad. Changing font in HTML. Now how we can change the font? You can see here, even though you create HTML file using any font in Notepad, it is displayed using the default font Times New Roman in the browser. If you want some text of your web page to be displayed using different font and color, then you should use the font tag. Now Times Roman is the default font size of the HTML, but if you want to change the font, you have to use the font tag here. Okay, font tag is used to change the font here. Okay, /font tag. So font tag is used to change the font style, font color, and font size. It is a pair tag, and the text written within the font and /font will have the effects. We can use different attributes like face, color, and size with font tag. Let us understand with an example. Example, I like. Now here in the font tag, you can remember that what is the starting point is the font and ending point is /font. Now students, remember that whenever you are using the font, you can use different attributes like face, color, and size. So face, you can know how it will appear, color all of you know, and what will be the size here. Okay, now let us understand through an example here. First one, I like font face is equal to impact color. What is the impact color? Will be the face. Okay, is equal to macro, color is equal to macro, sorry, face is equal to impact, it is inverted comma, color is equal to maroon. What is the color? Maroon, and size is equal to +3. Okay, so here it will, here it is magic of computer. Okay, so font is clear here, and the magic of computer, it is written here, and the font is close. Book very match. The output of the above command will be I like magic of computer book very much. Okay, so here content is there, but font size here where it is changed, I like font magic of computer will be, color will be maroon, and it is size will be bigger. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so students, this was our chapter on HTMLs. Let us quickly revise what we have learned in this chapter, changing the font in. Okay, so let us quickly revise what we have learned in this chapter. We have learned what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language, and we require two things: Notepad and any browser for preparing web page documents. Okay, so HTML tags are of two types: paired tags and unpaired tags. Okay, first we have seen the B tag, that is bold letter. If you want to make a bold letter, we will use the B attribute, and HR B for bold letters, and for HR for an horizontal line. Okay, it is an unpaired attribute, so it is an unpaired tag, so it is used, it does not have an ending. Then we have seen the attributes. Attributes are like adjectives. Okay, adjectives are like, they are like the adjectives, they provides the color for that. Okay, reds. Okay, if you want to make the color red, you want to highlight anything, it is used. Okay, so here you can see it, when you save the HTML document, it will must be saved with .html extension, and you can see the output on HTML document, web browser. Okay, now you can see here we have seen how the head, title, HTML, we have studied these things. Okay, body, and we have also seen how to save that file with .html. Okay, and run the result on the web browser. Okay, how we can see the result? We can double click on the saved file, so, and open, or right click, we can open it, and we can see the result here. Okay, BR attribute is used for breaking the line. Okay, here we have seen the small tag for making the text small, for making the letter small. We have seen the big tag for making the letters big. We have used the center tag here for putting the text in the center. HR tag is there for making the changes in the color. Okay, color, size, width, align we can made from the HR tag. H1 to H6 tags we have seen, where H1 is the most important and H6 is the least important. Okay, we have seen how to change the font in HTML. Font tag we have used, we can change the face, maroon size and different things. Okay, so this was our lecture on chapter number 4, HTML. So study well students. That's for today now. Thank you and have a nice day.